I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool and I'm like, yes ma'am.
Hello, hi, I'm Kelvin, founder of Singapore Furniture Rental. So today we're going to do a very different type of video. We are not going for any staging, but we'll be at our warehouse, and it will be a warehouse tour to show you our accessories and furniture preparation area, how we pack and pick and where we put our stuff. So let's go. So basically, right, we do a lot of preparation work. Like this is all the carpets we have where we send them for cleaning. Once they are cleaned up, we will put it aside for them to be kept in the warehouse, right? So I'm going to show you where we put all our accessories. So this is where we store all our accessories. You get to see all the fake books, the fake plants. We have art pieces here. So for example, how we're going to pick and pack the accessories is we have an idea of how we want to put the place up. Like for example, if there's a living room. So in a living room, what we need is actually accessories for coffee table, for TV console. So when I know a concept of how we're going to put up, we will go to where all the deco is for the coffee table and the TV console. We will pick according to the design or the style that we have. This is what I will do. I will pick up these two. These two looks matching. This will definitely match the accessories we have, a golden floor lamp, and the art piece that I can choose is something that we can match together. So I will probably need a few more things, like for example in the living room, right, we will have cushions on the sofa. Keeping to the theme of golden color, I will probably choose some that is like for example yellowish with brown golden color to match the accessories. A few like this with some different grey color tone. Okay, so once we consolidate all the accessories we have, we will actually put them into boxes and pack them and put them aside. So when everything is ready, our team will actually pick up all the accessories with all the furniture and deliver to the place for staging. So let me show you the rest of the warehouse.
She still think it's odd, yeah. I got all these fans, she's the only one I want.
So right now, this is where we store most of our furniture, most of our living and dining area furniture. Right? You can see that we have a lot of bedside tables and side tables here for us to choose. Then on this side, we also have a lot of tables, dining tables. It's of different sizes, 1.5, 1.2. At the back, we also have like TV consoles, we have buffet sideboards, all the bigger furnitures where we store them, and if we need them, we will just pull them out and select accordingly. Right? So we have a lot of furniture here. On the other side, we have chests of drawer, writing tables. It's basically anything that you need in a house, you can get it from this warehouse. So on the other warehouse that we have is actually where we store all our beds and mattresses. So let me show you. Let's go. As you can see, this is where we store our mattress, right? So this is queen size and king size mattress. We have sofa beds here. We have a lot of other beds with the headboards on the other side of this warehouse, right? So we also have a very special place that I really like in our warehouse here, which is our studio, right? So let me show you the studio. Okay, so this is our studio. This is one of my favorite places in the whole office and warehouse, where we actually recently set this up for our podcast. You might have seen some of our video where we shoot here, right? So we have our meetings here, we have our shooting here if we need the backgrounds and we need the accessories to be set up, right? One of my favorite places. So we also have a lot of office chairs that we stage offices or even bedrooms where we have our study rooms. So our truck just came back, and they came back from a collection of a staging job. So this is where they actually stop and they will start unloading the furniture and put it back to the respective warehouse.
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool and I'm like, yes ma'am. Well, you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes man. Oh yeah.
So that's all for today. Our logistic team is actually preparing for our next staging. So I hope you like this episode. If you like, please comment below and share this video. See you in our next episode. Bye bye.
Fly it in your X-Men and fly it in your next man and fly it in your